Limassol, of course, every winter becomes a water park, open-air water park. Classics, the Molon, of course. After the flooding, the cars are like bumper cars, συγκρουόμενα. Πίσω σταμάτησε το αυτοκίνητο, έσβησε because it was floating like a duck in Limassol. Σε λίγο να κάνουμε και quack quack in our cars. So we have the people taking the cars away. All that's left of some cars είναι οι πινακίδες, έμειναν τζαμέ. Άλλα αυτοκίνητα εσηκωστήκαν και κάτσαν στη ζαβά. I mean, look what's going on δαμέ. Took εφάτσισαν to left and right because they were floating like boats. And who's going to fix all of this? No one. Because every year the same things. Do we fix it? Of course not. I love it. I love it. Where else do you get this feature in Limassol? Συνεχίζουμε το touring μας. Πολλά σβησμένα αυτοκίνητα, switched off cars because of the rain. People are shouting. Insurance companies are shouting left and right. I love it. I love it. Some things never change.